What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we're going to be talking about Apple. Haven't done a video on this in actually a while, but I do trade Apple very often, so wanted to get a video out on this, mainly because a price target was recently raised on it today, and just wanted to get that news out there to you guys. Now, before we get into this video, I'd like to remind you, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for being here, and let's look at this news we got. So basically today, Apple's price target was raised from 163 to 175 at Evercore. And today, now I'm not saying that, upgrade was made Apple move today. No, I'm just letting y'all know that. But today we've had an awesome day on technology, on the NASDAQ. So we're going to be looking at the NASDAQ, then we're going to be breaking down Apple, since Apple has one of the highest weights in the NASDAQ. I think it's actually the top weight. So it does pretty much dictate how the NASDAQ moves to a certain extent. Of course, we have other things in it. But just looking at the NASDAQ, what awesome day today, guys. If you watched my stream earlier this morning, we watched the breakout happen. You watched me talk about, hey, I think I want to end up in here today. And that's exactly what happened today, guys. Honestly, today has been a pretty easy going day for the most part. Everything's just been pretty much pushing up. Now, yes, we are seeing a red candle, but I would not be worried about this candle whatsoever, because we're basing up right now. So we had this massive impulse move up, and now we're just kind of basing out here and just, I guess, staying like pretty much right here. We're not doing too much selling, and we're not doing too much buying. And keep in mind, though, it is the end of the trading session. We are going to see some volatility here. Not surprised if we even get a harder pullback. Just that's how the market does pretty much the last 10 minutes of closing, and we are getting around that time. So I don't expect too much for the rest of the day, but we may see another push up just in the last 5 minutes. But if I'm leaning towards the side, I pretty much think it's going to sell off. And that's okay. Apple's had an amazing move. When I'm looking at Apple, though, tomorrow may be a pullback day. Tomorrow we may see a pullback on the market, which is okay after the huge move we had today by any means. But if we see a pullback, Apple is in a weird spot right now. So if we see a pullback, maybe one of these wicks right here, so maybe at 122, maybe a little above that. But what I wanted to see Apple do today was stay above 123.22. Get in this zone right here, had this zone charted out. So we might not see a close there just based off of, since it's only like 20 minutes left till market closes and we see a lot of volatility. But what Apple did today was it based out on Friday, right? So we pushed up, kind of sold off. And then today we just had this massive move up. It's been a while since I've seen Apple had like a $3 day. So if we just pretty much stay right here for the rest of the day, I wouldn't mind that. I wouldn't mind that at all. But what I'm looking at for tomorrow and the rest of the week is tomorrow, maybe we get a pullback, right? So if we get a pullback, let's go over that scenario. So tomorrow, let's just say it's red on the market, pullback day. I want to pull back to right here. Nothing below here, so that's right at 121.60, 128, 121.70. So pull back to test the top of this. So the top of this was a resistance before. Now it's acting as a support. So that's the deepest pullback I want. Even then, that would be a pretty steep pullback, but that's okay. So let's just say that's the deepest we get. So we pull back to there, right? Pull back down to there. And then on Wednesday, we take off. Wednesday, we stay above 120, 123.22. Confirm that from the top side. And then, the rest of the week, we just pretty much have a good week. So right now with Apple, we are making this higher low pattern. So that is good. That's signifying that we do have an uptrend. We're starting this reversal after this huge downtrend. So we're starting the reversal. We're having the confirmation, but we need to continue that for the rest of this week. As long as we can continue that, amazing. So let's just say Tuesday, take profit, right? So Tuesday, and I've been telling you guys this for a little bit, at least people that watched my stream this morning, maybe we pull back down to here Tuesday, okay? Or maybe we don't even pull back Tuesday. We don't have to do that at all, guys. We can just have another rocking day tomorrow. So let's just say for the sake of this video, we pull back Tuesday, and then Wednesday, I think we end up in here. Or what we do today or tomorrow, we base out, pretty much just stay above this burgundy line right here, and then Wednesday, Thursday we do the same move up to here, and Friday maybe it's another take profit day. Overall, though, I'm still bullish on the market just based off the price action we had today. The buyers came in, they really showed up. So it'd be hard for me to believe that, we do have another aggressive sell like this. But we do have some volatility coming in the market. We have Powell speaking 2 more times this week. Not sure how volatile that's going to make the market, but anytime he speaks, we do see a reaction. So keep that in mind, though. Overall, like the strength of the market right now, doing just fine, even if we see a red day tomorrow. Just wanted to bring this news to you guys that, hey, Apple got a price target upgrade, which is always good to see. Always good to see. And we was reading the comments. Usually someone was asking, is it a week out, month up, whatever. Typically it's a 6 to 12 months out. But overall, looking strong. And Apple looking fine as well. If we have a red day tomorrow, do not panic. Use that as a dip buying opportunity. I do think that would be the dip buy. And then we'll just go from there. Either way, guys, appreciate all the support, and I'll see you in the next video.